Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to unbox Dragon Touch Vision 4 Lite. So this comes with the external mic. I have already bought this, and the microphone it supports is a 2.5 mm microphone, and you can see here this is compatible with the external mic. So what is actually good about Dragon Touch Vision 4 Lite is that it doesn't come with the external mic, but it does support the external mic and you need to buy it separately. So this is the mic which I have bought. Since it supports the 2.5 mm jack, it's a mono mic, you can see. So this is the mic. The price of this action camera is rupees 5300 in Amazon. The image sensor which is used here is 20 megapixel CMOS sensor, and these are the video resolution: EIS 4K 30 fps, then 4K 30 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps, 1080p 30 fps, 720p at 120 fps, and image resolution, the photos it can take is up to 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 5 megapixel. This has a LCD of 2 inch, and this is a wide angle lens. This has a wide angle lens of 170 degree. The micro SD card it can support is up to 64 GB, and it comes with two batteries of 1050 mAh each. You can see here it is compatible with the external mic. So this is the best part about this camera. As you can see, it has the EIS, it has remote control, and then it also supports the zoom, 4x zoom here. So it is the best camera for someone who is doing the moto vlogging. So let's quickly start the unboxing of this product. So let's get started. So these all are the things you get from here. Activate your 2-year free warranty now. Register within 7 days after receiving this product. So you can activate 2 years warranty. I don't know how this works, but this is the actual action camera. It does have this wrist control remote. Then this is the action camera, and you get a lot of accessories here. So these are the two batteries, 1050 mAh batteries. Then we have this USB cable. This is the micro USB cable, so it supports micro USB. Then we have some of the mounting clips. So these are all the mounting clips here, extra back cover, then different types of casing. Then this is, I think, the user manual. So this is the action camera, Dragon Touch Vision 4 Lite. It's quite light actually, and we need to put the battery inside it. So this particular thing has the power on switch here. Then we have, I think, the click button here at the top. Then it doesn't come with the mini USB, it is the advanced version, and it comes with the micro USB. And you can see here the 2.5 mm jack. So that is the best part about it. And here you get two different navigation keys, and this is the battery slot. So I'll put the battery inside it. So this is the action camera, and so I have put inside 64 GB memory card, and this is the class 10 memory card. And now we are going to see the settings. So this is currently at 4K 30 fps, and you can see the microphone sign here. Now you can see here, this is the video resolution, and if we go here, so I'll keep it as 1080 60 fps. Then we have EIS, so I'll keep it on. Loop recording is off. Then we have time-lapse video, slow motion, audio record. So this is it. And if we go to the photo mode, then this is the resolution, so I'll keep it as 20 megapixel. So we have time-lapse photo, burst photo. Now if we go to the volume, so this is the maximum volume, exposure, beep, white balance, ISO, effect, contrast, sharpness. So this is the normal settings. Next, language, car mode, angle also you can change, wide, middle and narrow. So this is the angle you can change. Now if you go back here, you can set up and the power off is like the screen power off time. So this is basically 3 minutes, and you can change the date, time obviously, and then you can format, reset, like that. So as you can see, this is the external mic. So this is a 2.5 mm jack, so it perfectly fits over here onto the 2.5 mm jack provided. So this is pretty much the setting side of it. So as this video is getting long, so I'll finish here this video, and after that in the next video we are going to shoot some of the footages at different modes, and also we are going to check the external mic quality and the internal mic quality. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll wrap up for now, and see you soon in the next video. So that's it from my side, guys. If you like the content of this video, do give it a like, and do subscribe to my channel for more technical videos. Thank you, guys.